Hello guys, V1 from Ultrakill here to tell you about the rocket launcher. So this is the rocket launcher from Ultrakill, and I'm going to test it on a destructible null body. Null body return. There we go. So basically what happens is just the grips are a little weird, but it does work. Kaboom. And as V1, I will pause time and then pairing it. I guess that didn't really do much. Now also Bonelab is out, but whenever you try to hit an NPC, Gore NPC, it just crashes your game on quest at least. And you can't really kill it, otherwise it just crashes your great game. So I really hope that gets patched because this is just so cool. What? Whoa, I guess it worked that time.